Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Chandrasekhar Patil. My groupmates are Kiran K, Meghana Kalawad, and Soundara P. Matal. My project is crop field prediction using artificial neural network under the guidance of Mr. Sachin Kumar Patil, Department of Electronics and Communication, AGMR College of Engineering and Technology, Vorur. Contents about our project: introduction, literature survey, problem definition, software tools, block diagram, algorithm used, advantages, application, the references. Introduction about our project. The aim of the project is to providing a easy way to predict predict the yield by sensing various environmental parameters. Design of development of crop field prediction using AI, which helps to increase yield and subsequent profit of agriculture production. The automated design offers a continuous information across a range of time scale and can be readily used for greenhouses. This is objective. Uh, this project is to predict the maximum yield of the crop produ- produced at a minimum cost. Early detection and management of problems associated with crop yield indicators can help increases yield and economical growth. Then literature survey. B.S. Smith, crop yield prediction and temperature variant. B. Joyce, rice yield prediction using ANN. A. Gaji, analysis of climate and crop yield relationship. And this is problem definition of our project. In generally, the rainfall temperature pH is low and highly variable, which result is uncertainly crop yield. Besides uncertainly, the distribution of rainfall during the crop period is uneven, uneven, receiving high amount of rain when it is not needed and lack of it when crop needed it. Then goes on, ANN design helps in early detection and management of problems associated with crop yield and can increases yield in agricultural production. And next one is the AI technology is less prone to error than other techniques and making it can effective machine learning tools for predicting crop yield. Then next software tools. My project using this software. This is a PyCharm software. PyCharm is a IDE with a complete set of tools for Python development. In addition of IDE provides capabilities for professional web development using Diagno framework. It codes faster with more easier, smart and configurable editor with completion, sniper, code folding, split windows support. Next, features. Assistance for many other web technologies, code navigation, intelligence code editor, live edit, refactoring, technology used. HTTP defines the precise manner in which web clients communicate with web server. MySQL stands for Structural Query Language. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. It is used designing HTML tags. Needs for crop field prediction. This is needs for crop field prediction. Prediction of crop mainly wheat, corn, rice, which play most important role in national and international programming. It can be used to estimated crop prediction in long and short term. Then This is the block diagram of our project. It is important block diagram about our project. Uh, Raw data collection, pre-processing, sampling, training dataset, pre-processing, pre-processing goes on test dataset, new data, learning algorithm training, hyperparameter optimization, post-processing, final classification, and the next one A steps followed in model. This is a step followed in model. Data set collection, data visualization, data pre-processing in the form of data cleaning and features extraction, data splitting into the train and test sets, fitting the algorithm, parameter turning, testing the occurrence of model, data post processing in the form of performance matrix. This is 8 steps algorithm for proportional model. First, logistic re- regression, support vector machine, algorithm for proposed models, KNN, K nearest neighbors. KNN stands for nearest neighbors algorithm. Data classification K is equal to 1. This is K is equal to 1. This one K is equal to 20. Project result analysis for our project. The core aim of present study is to establish a model which will efficiently predict crop based on setup of future. Six different machine learning algorithm are used in model. SPM was done with using three different aspects. KNN was done using two different aspects. Advantages of our project. Uh, estimated crop production in a long term and short term, and also with enough and useful data can be ANN model of each area. Furthermore, using ANN can find the most effective factors on crop yield. Applications. The use of ANN to choose the crop based on soil and climate condition, which affects the crop yield. The crop selection method has been proposed which helps in crop selection based on it yield prediction and other factors. Future trend. No agricultural plots be wasted by harvesting less sufficient crop by adopt this model. This can be field interest for both researching and entrepreneur. This will be let farmers in the one country to know the response of farming in the other part of world. We plan to use unsupervised, supervised and reinforced learning as well. We are using references. This is references using handling my project. Thank you all. Thank you, sir.